See, land acquisition process and the award was done in 2005.
ओके.
पळय आमकां अवॉर्ड मेळलेलो आसा आनी अवॉर्डा प्रमाणे वी आर गोईंग अहेड वीथ आर प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्युचर प्लॅनिंग.
ओके. केन्ना स्टार्ट जातली ती?
सी नाव केन्ना स्टार्ट जातली ते देर आर प्रोसिजर्स हाव टू गो अबाउट. सो पयलीं आमी कितें केलेलें आहा, लँड फिलिंगाचें परमिशन घेतलें थ्रू प्रॉपर चॅनल दॅट इज द टावन अँड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग टू PDA. We have got this permission, and after the permission is done, we have done the next step of surveying and demarcating the boundaries.
Okay.
And once the boundaries are done, that plan has to go to the chief architect, that is the PWD, who will plan our panchayat ghar. Okay. And in that panchayat ghar, what we have decided is that we will be having all activities what is concerned for the people of Talegaon.
Okay. How
One
many
is-
area acquired this?
The area acquired is 6,165. And in this 1,065 area, we are proposing a panchayat ghar. In that panchayat ghar, there will be facility for post office. आयज लोकांक त्रास जाता पोस्ट ऑफिसांक
Okay.
लागून. आयज तुका लोक एक जागो दिना पोस्ट ऑफिस आपल्याच्या घरान घालूंक, बिकॉज ती गव्हर्मेंट फॅसिलिटीज आसतकूच तेंचे भाडें इज व्हेरी लेस. कोण प्रेमायसीस दिना. द प्रेमायसीस वेर इट इज नाव दे आर टोल्ड टू मूव. They are requesting us, so we are proposing a panchayat ghar. Then we are having in post office. Then we are proposing electricity point there. We are proposing a health center point there. We are proposing seniors clubhouse. We are proposing आमचे भुरगे आहा पळय activity area. It could be cards. It could be recreational activities. Then we are proposing a seniors library where this facility is much needed. See, it is everything is planned, and what we are doing is for the people of Talegaon.
Okay. When they start this work?
See, I have put the ball rolling. I know it was delayed for some time, whatever reason. Now we have come to a stage where we need this facility. Talegaon is fast developing, and people of youngsters are requesting us to have these facilities in our area. Now our open spaces are there. We are trying to develop activity area in that areas also. Every ward will have one open space developed for a community activity, and the community activity अशी जातली की we will be taking the people into confidence, and ताणी ते well-being of that open space has to be taken care by those people. We are there to support. नाजाल्यार कितें जाता पळय, ओपन स्पेस म्हणून कोणेय हाडून कितेंय उडयता. एवरी इयर वी क्लीन, एवरी इयर वी प्लांट, बट end result कितें जाता, people has to take care, people has to support us. So I need this support from the people from those wards. Like in Durgawadi, we are proposing a basketball area. In Shankarwadi एक हा पळय थिंगा that is a play area. My Chitty Villas colony, that is a play cum volleyball court. मागीर in Waldembat we are proposing a football small area where they can play football. Those are called the six-a-side and whatever. मागीर in Santismo Wado we are proposing one play area for them. Donapal we are proposing 2. So every ward will have an activity which will be benefiting the people of that area. This is planning for the future generation.